Whoa. Oh my God. Hey, Ohana, welcome back to my channel and another episode of Shundara Creates. But hold up, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Ohana or awesome Shundara Creates family. Make sure you're subscribed to my vlog channel if you would like to get to know me, your host, Shundara, better. And make sure if you want to be a part of our Shout Out Wednesdays, which happens in our Instagram stories, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as all my social media sites, you guys. I love you so much. So in this episode of Shundara Creates, we're going to be creating the Scents by Amy Scented by Amy slimes. You guys know her. All her slimes are so popular. They're so fluffy, they're so cloudy, and they're so amazing. So in this episode of Shundara Creates, we're going to create her slimes, and I'm going to show you like the most popular ones, which is her cotton candy slime, and then her I think it's her peach scented crumb slime. So I'm going to show you guys how to make that slime. So let's go. So you want to start off with 5 ounces of clear Elmer's glue, and this is the peachy one we're going to be making, and it's a rose gold color. So I am using like a gold pigment, and then I'm adding rose gold mica. So it's 2 different types of pigments that I'm adding to get that rose gold flare to it. Although it didn't look rose gold, I tried. It's such a tongue twister. Glow gold. But see, this is the color I got. You guys, I tried. So we're going to now add a peachy fragrance oil. I got this at Amazon. So I'm going to add another more to it. So I added about a capful, you guys, which is probably about 2 teaspoons. You don't want to add too much because too much fragrance oil will make your slime not even be slime. It'll just be sticky mess. So you want to mix that into it's combined. So I suggest you use a pinch of baking soda. I use way too much. Don't be trying to come for me in the comments. I use way too much in this. But she uses borax. So I'm under the impression, since Scented Slime by Amy uses borax, that her slime was a little more clear than mine. So if you do decide to use borax, use borax. But I know a lot of people can't use borax, so I'm using baking soda and eye drops, or you can use contact solution. So this is what the slime came out to look like. I'm trying to change the light so you guys can see it. It's not as stretchy, so what I'm going to do is add some oil to it. She used sort of like mineral oil and baby oil, and then you're going to mix that in. And pretty much that's it for this slime. Once you mix it in, it looks really, really good. And you can go to the video if you would like to see both slimes. But now, after we do this one, we're going to do her cotton candy slime. But side note, this was my favorite one because not only of the color, it really shimmers in the sun, but it was really stretchy. So now we're going to do her famous cotton candy fluffy cloud slime. Our cloud slime, this is really so fluffy. So we are using diaper polymer, which you can get on Amazon. And I just added 2 scoops of this to a bowl of water. So like 2 scoops to like a cup of water or 2 cups of water. So now we're going to add the cotton candy fragrance oil, and I'm using 2 capfuls, which is about 2 teaspoons. As I say, you don't want to use too much fragrance oil or your slime will not slime, you guys. I'm letting you know this is serious. Okay, so now for this one, I'm going to use starch flow. I'm going to change it up just a bit because I just want the slime to be perfect. So I am just going to use stuff flow for this one. So you want to mix in your stuff flow until it's combined and until it's sticky. You may need about a 1/4 cup of stuff flow depending on how much glue you use. I used about 8 ounces of glue, so I used about, I would say, 4 tablespoons of stuff flow, which is a 1/4 cup. Now I'm adding so much pigment, and this is the polymer diaper absorbent that I got on Amazon. So I'm just going to throw the whole bowl in there. but in small increments, and I'm gonna mix it in until it is all combined into this beautiful slime with the pigment as well. You could add the pigment first and mix it into the slime, but I wanted it to be cloudy and I wanted the pigment to show, so I just dumped it all in there together to make this slime. So this is what it looks like, but I didn't feel like it was cloudy enough. Does it look cloudy to you? No. So we're gonna add more of the diaper absorbent polymer stuff, I would say. We're gonna add a lot of that once we mix it in, because you know, you gotta mix this stuff in. Thumbs up this video if you love diaper polymer absorbent I think it's the diaper stuff. You know, the stuff for babies you get. Just thumbs up this video if you love it. So now we're going to mix this all in until it's combined. And once 2 scoops is more than enough to get your cloudy slime, you're going to love it. So I hope you enjoyed this epic episode of this huge, giant, cloudy, giant slime. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, you guys. Love you. Bye. Oh, and stay tuned for after the video if you would like to see those beautiful slimes. Oh my God, you guys. Look how cool this slime is. Whoa, can you guys see it? It is so cloudy. Oh my God, I really love how this came out. Literally, it's like literally stuck to the bag. Oh my God, let's do a close-up. Let's do a close-up. Look at this, you guys. Whoa. Oh my God. This is so easy to make. If you guys would like me to make more of Scented by Amy slimes, let me know, you guys. But look at, whoa, look at, oh, I hope it doesn't get in my hair. Like, that would be so crazy. Oh my God, see how it stuck to the bag? Like, look at, oh my God, it's falling. Got it, you guys. Oh my God, this is epic. It's like angel hair pasta. Look at angel hair pasta. Ooh, ooh. Oh my God, I got some on my clothes. Oh my God, this slime is so epic, you guys. So here we go. Here's Scented by Amy's famous epic apricot gold slime that I made. Look at it. Her recipe, I copied her recipe, but I didn't use borax, but I swear when she used mineral oil, makes your slime so much stretchy. And it smells, oh, like heaven. Oh my God, it smells so good. Look at you guys. Oh, look at her slime. I made it just for me. Isn't this amazing? So I'm gonna leave all the pigments and scents that I use down below. So you guys, if you wanna try to make her slimes, you can purchase them purchase the scents and what she did on your own, and you can make it yourself. Scented by Amy has the Scented by Amy slimes. I think that's how you say it. Has really cool fluffy slimes. I love just looking at her slime shop. I love looking at her Instagram. If you guys don't follow her, you should follow her. And I'll see you guys in our next episode. Shundara Creates. Bye, you guys.